Now let's talk about NVIDIA. It is the undisputed leader of AI chips. By some accounts, NVIDIA controls more than 90% of the AI chip market. It is the brain behind ChatGPT, but NVIDIA now seems to have competition from China's Huawei. Huawei is testing its newest and most powerful artificial intelligence processor, one that it hopes can replace NVIDIA chips. What will this mean for the American company? And can China dethrone NVIDIA in this chip war? Our next report explores.
In the high-stakes arms race for artificial intelligence, it's NVIDIA's green logo that casts the longest shadow. The company's chips are passports to the future. If you want to build a smarter chatbot, design a faster self-driving car, odds are you need NVIDIA inside your machine. NVIDIA controls over 90% of the AI chip market, and that's why it's valued at over $2.8 trillion. If you invested $1,000 in NVIDIA a decade ago, it would be worth $228,490 today. But empires, as history teaches us, rarely go unchallenged. And somewhere behind the Great Firewall, China has been plotting for some time. Huawei is preparing to test its newest and most powerful AI processor. Reports suggest Huawei has approached some Chinese tech companies. They want them to test the technical feasibility of the new chip. It's called the Ascend 910D. Huawei is hoping that this new chip will be more powerful than NVIDIA's H100 chip. There's a catch, of course. Huawei's chip is power-hungry, less efficient, and it's being built under crushing constraints. But this is very important for Beijing. China has been trying to get high-end chips for some time now. The US has stopped Beijing from accessing NVIDIA's most advanced AI products. This includes its flagship B200 chip. Washington hopes that limiting China's ability to get the chips will hamper technological development. It had also banned the sale of the H100 chip to China in 2022. Earlier this month, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang flew to Beijing. Huang met with Vice Premier He Lifeng and other Chinese officials. This was to emphasize the importance of the Chinese market, especially amid the escalating trade war. But that doesn't seem to have helped, and Huawei isn't alone. Beijing has been orchestrating a national effort, pushing companies like Cambricon Technologies to develop local alternatives. They are subsidizing purchases of Chinese chips and encouraging AI developers to buy domestic. The goal is very clear. China wants technological sovereignty. In a world increasingly built on AI, China refuses to be dependent on an American gatekeeper. In the short term, Huawei's challenge might feel more symbolic than existential. NVIDIA is still the gold standard. Its software ecosystem, engineering talent and global reach give it a moat that Huawei can't easily cross. And Beijing's domestic alternatives are mainly staying within China. But look a little further ahead, and the battle lines of a chip war emerge. Two separate AI ecosystems, both developing in parallel. And if Beijing keeps subsidizing its AI industry, then NVIDIA may find that the biggest threat to its empire isn't competition from another US giant. It's a technological insurgency from the other side of the Pacific, one that is slow but relentless. After all, great empires are rarely toppled in a single battle. They are eroded bit by bit until the ground beneath them shifts.